Some basic rules of active voice and voice are given below. Okay, first of all, find subject, object, and the main verb. It means find subject, verb, and object. So that is the pattern that we have earlier studied when we were doing the tenses. We have checked that out. Now convert the object into subject. So if it the sentence is in the active voice, then we need to understand which is the subject here and which is the object. When we are converting it into a passive, then we have to, whatever object will be in the place of a subject, and whatever the subject is, they will go in the place of an object. Use the suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb according to the tense. So you have to always keep in mind what is going to be the tense, because it's not simply changing the object to subject and subject to object. Here we have to always understand that the main thing that will be looked into will be the tense. Now, you need to make use of suitable verb. Okay, so whether it is a helping verb and auxiliary verb, whatever it is there, you find that it has to be utilized accordingly. Now, you have to always keep in mind that the helping verb used should be according to the object. Okay, so remember this. That is, if it is in singular or plural, first person, second person, third person, accordingly you have to make use of the helping verb. Convert the verb into past participle or third form of the verb. So we have to convert that verb into past participle, or what we commonly call it as a third form of the verb. Use the preposition. Now you make use of by. If possible, try to make use of. Many a times you find it can be eliminated also. Still, it can be converted into from active to passive. It's not necessary every passive voice sentence will be having a by or a preposition by. Okay, so convert the subject into object. So these are the things that we need to keep in mind. So what are the three things that we need to? What is the subject becomes the object. Okay, then we have to change the tense. Okay, the verb has to be kept in mind when we are converting that verb. Then you have to keep in mind whether it is in first persons, the subject is in first person, second person, or third person. That is the object which has turned into subject. We are talking about that. Whether it is first person, second person, or third person, whether it's singular or plural. So that has to be kept in mind. Now the verb have to be converted into past participle or the third form of the verb. Okay, third form of the verb. So this is the rule when we are moving from active voice to passive voice. You may make use of a preposition by. Okay, but not necessarily that if by is there. This is one easy way to do it, or easy way to identify whether the sentence is in which voice. That if it is a passive voice, by is the sure short way of knowing that this is in passive voice. But it need not be. It has to be that just the verb have to be in the passive voice. Remember. Okay, so these are the few things that you need to keep into mind.